Taking a look at Casper Crypto this morning. Hope everybody is having a great week. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. We're going to look at Casper / Tether USD this morning. It is the 13th. It is Friday, January. It's about 4:17 in the morning on the East Coast. Up early looking at the markets, drinking some coffee. Nice continuation here for Casper to the upside, currently up 2.67%. Guys, we are back at the top end of this range. Exciting times for Casper. Let me draw a couple things on the chart here. So we talked about some boxing methods recently in some different cryptos. Basically, in a giant consolidation, a basing structure. And as you can see from this box, Casper is at the top end of this range, guys. And that is exciting because we are looking for a breakout. Every time we get to the top or bottom end of this range, we are looking for a breakout. Unless it continues in that box, which it has for many months now, I should say. So we're at the top end of that range. We're looking for a break to the upside. The markets are starting to heat up and move to the upside. We're seeing breakouts in Bitcoin. We're seeing breakouts in Bitcoin Cash. We're seeing breakouts in the futures. We're seeing moves higher in XRP. We're seeing moves higher over in the stock market futures. Things are looking good. Couple things of concern for Casper is we are finding resistance currently at our 310 level. If you've been around a while, I've had these lines on the chart, 310 being one of them. And if you can fill in the blank, lines above the market act as resistance for a period of time until broken and turned into support. Lines below the market act as targets, act as areas of support for a period of time until proven otherwise. So as we approach the upper line here this morning and hit 310, it should act as resistance, push the price back for a period of time, and then at some point, a break to the upside. You can see it came in right here. Let me zoom in on this. Might as well make it full screen. So we have right here the 5th of January. What took place on the 5th of January? Well, we came down to the lower end of the range on the 21st of December, found support, and continued in the other direction, moving all the way back up to the top end of the range on the 5th of January. We traded above our 310. We hit a high of 315. Things were looking good. But this strong reversal we got, this close, that was not bullish at all. And then we had some continuation the next day, almost taking us back down to the bottom end of the range, hitting a low of 268, and our support was down there at 263. Next day was nice. And then here we are back at the top end of the range. And if we go to a 3-minute chart, anybody who does short-term trading, if I had to recommend a time frame for a chart, it's the 3-minute chart. Really kind of seems like the 3 and the 5-minute chart is nice, but I always like the 3-minute chart. So here we are right there. We're right at the top end of that 310. So we're at a make or break moment here. I mean, maybe it takes all day. Maybe it happens during this video. But if the momentum in Bitcoin continues, then we should see a nice breakout for Casper. So that is what's going on. We're at a critical breakout moment here for Casper. And I thought it was going to take place back on the 5th of January, and then that was a bearish close. So patience, we wait again. And here we are. Here we are at 4:22 in the morning on the 13th of January, Friday, getting ready to do something like this. So we will see if we can get some assistance from Bitcoin, then it would make it easier here for Casper to break out. So we'll have to see what happens with Bitcoin. Things are potentially slightly overbought, to say the least. So a pullback could take place, and that definitely wouldn't help something like Casper break out to the upside. Nice pop. We are sitting at 311, so we are currently above our level live here as we record. So guys, above the market, let's say we get the breakout. We take out the high of the 5th of January, which is 315. We continue higher. Our next level of concern is 334, guys, right here, 334.0334. Above that is 0.0363. Above that is 415.0415. These are all levels I'll be keeping an eye on as the price heads up there. You can see we had this massive pop right here on the 26th of November, and that found resistance not only at 363 as well as 334, and actually closed below, guys, 311. So I saw that candle and I was like, whoa, this thing has some power, some built up energy, and that close, though, was not good. It's been a long time we've been trading down at these levels. I mean, I can just roughly, it's been since June of 2022. It's been many, many months we've been consolidating with a couple pops along the way, but the price getting pushed back down. So let's see. I know most of you are ready to rock and roll who hold Casper. Patience can pay off big time, in my opinion. I want to head over to a monthly chart, and I want to show you guys something. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. So I decided to expand the channel a bit and talk. We'll be adding in not only futures videos, stock market futures, cryptocurrency futures. We'll also be adding in videos about different stocks along the way. So don't worry, we'll be still doing the crypto videos, but we will add in some futures and stock videos. So maybe that'll expand some of your guys' horizons. Maybe you trade futures or stocks. I know I do. So we'll be adding those into the channel. So stay posted for those. Let me know your thoughts, and feel free to share some ideas. If you want to see a video about, call it Apple or Tesla, or maybe you want to see a video about Ethereum or some futures, some Bitcoin futures, let me know. So, excuse me, this is a monthly chart, and I connected some important highs here. By the way, this is a monthly chart, guys, going back to May of 21, the summer of 21. We have the month of the November and December month back in 21 right here. And then it doesn't quite reach the line on the April 22 month, but down in the October and November of 22 month, it does connect. And if I can make this bigger, you can see what's going on here. This is a giant wedge here. Big monthly wedge with a lot of built up energy. And you can see where we're at. This month, the 23 January month, we are right at the top of that wedge, getting very, very close to a breakout. Something like this potentially to take place. So buckle up. If Bitcoin really starts to go here, we could see things like Casper breaking out to the upside in a big way, as well as many other cryptos across the board and in the market. So that is just my opinion, but you can see this wedge. We are basically at the apex here, and things are heating up. So we will see. We'll see what happens. If they continue to push the markets up, I see no reason why Casper won't have a nice, healthy breakout. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you want to see some different videos, like I said, we're getting a nice break to the upside right now. You can see that just above our line at 311. Let me know in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. All right. Have a great Friday.